Welcome, everyone. In this video, we embark on an enlightening journey through the history of artificial intelligence. From its conceptual beginnings to its current advanced applications, we'll explore how AI has evolved and shaped our world. This video is perfect for anyone interested in understanding how we arrived at today's AI capabilities, and where we might be heading next. The roots of AI can be traced back to ancient civilizations that dreamed of creating automata in form of mechanical beings that mimicked human actions. Philosophers, like Aristotle, envisioned automated tools that could perform tasks on their own, laying the groundwork for the concept of artificial beings. In the mid-20th century, mathematician Alan Turing proposed the idea that machines could simulate any conceivable act of human thinking, which is now known as the Turing test. This concept was revolutionary, suggesting that machines could one day think independently. In the 1950s, the invention of the perceptron marked the beginning of machine learning. This early form of neural network was designed to recognize patterns and laid the foundation for future developments in AI learning algorithms. AI faced periods of stagnation and reduced funding, known as the AI winters, during the 1970s and 1980s due to unmet expectations. However, renewed interest in the 1990s, and improvements in computer power, rejuvenated the field, leading to significant advancements. The explosion of big data in the early 21st century dramatically transformed AI. With vast amounts of data available, machine learning algorithms improved greatly, enabling AI to make more accurate predictions and decisions. The development of deep learning architectures, like convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, in the 2000s, further pushed AI capabilities, especially in processing images, video, speech, and audio. Today, AI is integral to daily life. Smartphones use AI for voice recognition and predictive text, while personal assistants, like Siri and Alexa, provide a seamless interface to access information using natural language processing. In industry, AI automates complex processes, from manufacturing to customer service, enhancing efficiency and reducing costs. For example, AI-driven robots in automotive assembly lines perform precise tasks to increase production speed and quality. AI applications in healthcare, such as diagnostic algorithms and personalized medicine, are revolutionizing patient care. AI helps analyze medical images with greater accuracy and develops customized treatment plans faster than ever before. As AI becomes more pervasive, ethical considerations are increasingly important. Debates around privacy, surveillance, and decision-making in AI systems highlight the need for guidelines that ensure responsible AI development and use. What does the future hold for AI? Advancements in quantum computing and AI theory are set to unlock even more potential, making AI systems more powerful and possibly achieving true artificial general intelligence. AI's impact on society is profound, altering how we work, learn, and interact. As AI reshapes industries, it also requires us to rethink job roles and education, preparing for a future where human-AI collaboration is commonplace. As we advance, the role of human oversight in AI development cannot be understated. Ensuring AI serves the common good involves continuous monitoring and adapting policies that govern its use. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the history and evolution of AI. From theoretical explorations to practical applications, AI continues to be a dynamic and transformative technology. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content on AI and its role in shaping our future. Stay curious and informed as we navigate the exciting world of artificial intelligence together.